Hi, my name is Liliana Weese. I'm a 7th grader at Southeastern Junior Senior High School, and this is my first year in Science Club.
Hi, I'm Gracie. I'm a 7th grader at Southeastern Junior Senior High. This is my first year in Science Club. The title of our project is Biomass to Biogas, using methanogenesis for gas production.
As the world's population continues to grow, the demand for renewable energy resources increases. The purpose of the investigation is to determine if biogas in the form of methane can be generated using various types of biomass. Specifically, the biomass is fruit, vegetables, and cow manure will be compared, and the amount of methane generated over time will be measured.
Based on research and the fact that cows are known for producing methane, it is hypothesized that the biomass cow manure produced the most amount of methane in the experiment. It is also hypothesized that the biomass fruit produced the least amount. Overall, all biomass types should produce more methane than control, which is no biomass present.
The first thing we did was we labeled each of 4 bottles with the labels of each biomass type. Next, we added each of the biomass type into each of the bottles. We marked the line 2 centimeters from the top of each bottle. Next, we filled it up with water. We sealed it with a balloon with tape, and then we measured the balloon every day for 7 days. Next, we conducted 9 more trials, average and graphed, and then we calculated standard deviation.
Our independent variable, or the thing that changed, is the biomass type. We compared cow manure, fruit peels, vegetable peels, and our control, which is no biomass present. Our dependent variable, or the thing that we measured, is the biogas production, or the balloon circumference centimeters. Our controlled variable is the thing that stayed the same as the project setup, measurement technique, testing environment, and biomass amount.
Next up, we have our results. And this here is the amount of biogas generated, or the average balloon circumference in centimeters. Over here, we have each of the biomass types. As you can see, in the 3 biomasses, there was no statistical variation, but they all produced more than the control, which produced none. Over here, we have our overall average and standard deviation of each of the biomass types.
It was predicted that the biomass cow manure produced the most amount of methane in the experiment. After conducting 10 trials and averaging the results, our hypothesis was rejected. On average, the biomass fruit produced the most amount of methane in the experiment. We also hypothesized that the biomass fruit produced the least amount of methane. Again, our hypothesis was rejected because the biomass cow manure produced the least amount of methane on average. We also concluded that all biomass types should produce more methane than control, which is no biomass present. This part of our hypothesis was supported.
Great effort was made to conduct this experiment in a controlled manner. However, some variation did occur in the results. A technique was used to measure the balloon, and sometimes it was hard to get a precise measurement. Also, we put equal amounts of each biomass type into the bottles, but some changes of the consistency could be, but at times, we put equal amounts of the biomass into the bottles, but there could have been slight difference in the consistency from one trial to the next. Overall, the calculated standard deviation indicated consistency in the results. Thank you.